Interested in borrowing magazines from your library's digital collection? With Libby, you can. Discover over 3,000 popular and niche magazines for your reading pleasure in Libby, the one-tap reading app. You'll find everything from the leading publishers like Vogue and US Weekly to titles focused on special interests like Mindful and Storytime. There are 3 ways to search for titles in Libby. First, search for your favorite magazine by tapping on the magnifying glass and typing in the magazine name. You can also select more options to run an advanced search. Here you can filter by format to search for all magazines in your library's digital collection. Second, you can set a preference. Next to format, select magazines to only search for magazines within Libby. Be sure to apply your preference. These can be adjusted at any time, and they are reflected on the library page as well as all of your search results. The last way to search for titles in Libby is with the Explore tab. Return to the top and tap on Explore. If your library has catalog guides, you will see those here. You can also explore what's new, what's popular, what's available, subjects, and your most recent searches. If we tap on what's popular, you can filter by format once again. At the top, you can further filter by subject and refine. Now that you know how to search for magazines, let's look for one to borrow. You can scroll down. You'll notice that some magazines have multiple issues available. You can click on the title to go to the title details page. Here you can read a description and choose between different issues. Go ahead and borrow. You can adjust your loan period at the top and confirm. Magazines do not count towards your checkout limit. They are always available and they automatically return at the end of the lending period. Open up the magazine to enjoy. At the bottom, you'll see a timeline where you can thumb through different pages of the magazine. Tap once in the center of the page to dismiss the timeline, and you can tap or swipe to turn the page. When you open up a title that has an article, you can read the article. This opens up an article view where you can scroll vertically and read from top to bottom. Once finished, you can dismiss the shade. If there's more than one article, you can choose which article you would like to read. You can also zoom by pinching in on the screen if you are using a touchscreen device or using the zoom logo in the upper right-hand corner. You can zoom in and out and even scroll between pages. Last, you can adjust your appearance. Once again, this is found in the upper right-hand corner. You can adjust the text scale and background lighting. The text scale will reflect when you're reading an article view. Thanks for watching. We hope that you enjoy magazines through Libby.